Hello, I am going to just run through video-wise. I am going to also give you the answers for this one, just so you know. So let's go ahead and start with number 3, which you were spot on. Good job, Christy. I'm fine with the Z code for that in there also. So let's go to number 5. B20, B39, D70, you did a great job once again. With this 3 code, if I remember correctly, you do not have to go ahead and I think this is for just like an IV. You don't have to code those because the charge master is going to pick those up. Number 7, excellent job. We have 4 T codes. Poisoning always needs to be listed first. Respiratory failure, I have just 00, you have 90. I'm okay with that. Your procedure codes look great. Let's go with number 9. Nausea and vomiting needs to go first. Just keep in mind, I had a couple other students that T code needs to go second. Whenever you have an adverse effect, the problem, which this is nausea, needs to go first. T code second. Now poisoning is just the opposite. The T code's first. Whatever's wrong with the patient goes second. So make sure you have that straight for the exam. Number 11 looks fantastic. You have the adverse effects second on that one, which is great. And again, you have the 3 code, which you do not need. Let's go ahead and number 13. Once again, your T codes look great. Your F code, 15. You have the fracture first, the W code, Y codes. Did a fantastic job. Chapter 21 can be a little tricky. The Z codes, I'm okay adding those in. 2, T84021 looks great. Z code, you have extra. Your procedures look great. Number 3, we have 2 T codes. You're using M codes. I'm not sure what those would be for. You have an I-80 code also. So go ahead and look to see what I have, compare. If there's issue with what it's stating here, what you have, let me know. And it looks like your procedure codes, you did very nicely. 4, we have M7 or M27.2. Nice job. Number 5, you're off just a little bit on the pulmonary insufficiency. Needs to be a little bit more specific. The malignant neoplasm looks great. You do have, you're close on the procedure codes. We're only doing excision of the larynx. Then our last code here is T85, 59, it should be 520A. K, the C25.0 is good. So I did add the others if you want to go back and do them. Overall, you did a really nice job. The biggest thing is, compared to what I have, I will send you these answers also. And also make sure poisoning T codes first, adverse effect T code second. Looks like you're on a great start to this unit.